speed up and set the high score right here, guys.
Hey, John boy.
Did he leave us again?
I think he did. Hello? Yo!
There you are.
Finally! Jesus Christ! What the hell was that all about? I don't know, I just turned my music off, because like, we were coming through the town and I was like, Jason! And my music wasn't cutting down. It was only doing when y'all were talking, so I turned my music off. Gotcha. We can either go up 89, which is kind of boring, or we can go through Stewart, which is kind of boring. I don't care, you just tell me which way to go. Oh, I'll go straight. I guess we can go all the way up 89 to Asbury, or whatever. Asbury Church Road.
Asbury.
Asbury's.
Asbury's?
89's not too. Is that MG? Yeah.
I didn't put my earplugs in, and I don't care.
I smell the Great Depression. Yes. I got my GoPro on my right side, so we're perfect right now. I'm getting some good shots of your bike if I'm recording. Sweet. Let's get up to some twisties, and I'll slow back and let you go in front of me. Alright.
Well, then you'll be back there like, oh my god, fucking go on.
Right or straight? You choose. I don't care. Go wherever the MG's not going. Straight it is. Straight it is. Yeah, as soon as we started riding earlier, like, we weren't even out of Winston yet, and Tate shoots a big fucking rock off his tire and it hits me right in my forehead on my helmet. That shit hurt, even though, like, you know, we got a helmet on. Oh yeah, it hurt. Like you feel it in your soul. Yeah, hell yeah. You're gonna need some image stabilization because my bearings aren't exactly hard. I'm looking down watching my GoPro just jiggle.
Yeah, see, I was gonna put one on my windscreen, but it was too jiggly for that. Damn, John, why don't you reach out and touch my back tire?
Do what?
So why don't you reach out and just touch my back tire?
Oh, yeah. I thought I was trying to get close, but that looks cool.
Huh. Feels weird, though.
It does feel very weird. And then just incorporate your ass coming up.
I like it when you stick one cheek out at me like that.
Oh, yeah. I'll stick the whole thing, Poppy. Where's Devin at? Behind Travis?
Yeah, he's behind me. He's close. Oh yeah.
Power wheelie. Get it, Travis. Get it. Don't go faster.
Oh no, I'm not.
I probably couldn't have kept up with you though. I'm just playing around. I'm not going that fast. Gotcha.
Yeah, we know you're a fucking street Rossi, whatever.
Oh, fuck you, bitch. That's why I was wheeling out of the corner, because I wasn't trying to go that fast. That's the last time, but the time before me and John come down this road, Travis, I hit a bird with my fucking helmet. Yep.
How'd that feel?
It was good, blood, good, blood, guts and shit everywhere.
Damn.
Yeah, it was pretty nasty.
You have dead bird all over your helmet?
Not really, there was blood and stuff.
Did it surprise the shit out of you?
Yeah, I did. Grass. It surprised the shit out of the bird. Literally. Yeah, I was telling Travis. Thanks, asshole.
Yeah, Jason does not want to hear your fucking Jeep story again.
He didn't, man. He's so tired of my shit.
You alright, man?
I'm good.
Okay.
That's what's important. You're okay. That's what fucking matters.
Yeah, I'm good. Fuck!